If you want to host multiple websites on Hostinger, this guide will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check your hosting plan, add new websites, connect your domains, and repeat the process for as many sites as your plan allows. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check your hosting plan. Not every Hostinger plan supports multiple websites, so this is an important first step. If you want to host more than one site, you'll typically need a premium, business, or cloud hosting plan. If you're on a lower tier plan that only allows one website, you may need to upgrade before continuing. So before you try adding anything, log into your Hostinger account and confirm that your plan includes multiple website support. Once you know your plan is compatible, the next step is to add a new website. After logging into Hostinger, go to the Websites section in your dashboard. This is where all of your existing sites and hosting tools are managed. From there, click the Add Website button. Hostinger will ask you what kind of website you want to create, and you'll usually see options like Website Builder, WordPress, or Empty Site. Choose the option that fits your project best. If you want a blog or business site, WordPress is a great choice. If you want to build with Hostinger's tools, choose Website Builder. And if you want a blank setup to configure manually, select Empty Site. After choosing your website type, enter the required details and continue through the setup process. Hostinger will guide you through naming the website, selecting any setup preferences, and creating the new site. This is the point where your second website starts getting added to the same hosting account, which is exactly what makes multi-site hosting so convenient. Now, let's connect a domain to that new website. During the setup process, Hostinger may give you the option to add a domain right away. If you already own the domain, you can attach it during the website creation step. If you skip it for now, you can always do it later. To connect it later, go to Domains in your Hostinger dashboard, then choose Connect Existing Domain. Follow the prompts and select the website you want that domain to point to. This helps Hostinger know which website should load when someone visits your domain. If you plan to host several websites, you can simply repeat the same process for each new project. Go back to Websites, click Add Website again, choose the website type, and complete the setup. Then connect the correct domain for that site. You can continue repeating this until all of your websites are added under the same Hostinger account, as long as your plan supports the number of sites you want to host. This setup is especially useful if you manage client sites, run multiple niche blogs, or have separate websites for different brands. Instead of buying separate hosting for each one, you can keep everything organized inside one Hostinger dashboard. That makes management easier, billing simpler, and setup much faster. A quick tip before you finish, keep your websites organized by naming them clearly inside Hostinger so you always know which project belongs to which domain. That will save you time later when you're switching between sites, updating WordPress, or managing settings, and that's it. You now know how to host multiple websites on Hostinger by checking your plan, adding a new website, connecting your domain, and repeating the process for every site you want to launch. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the next guide for more hosting and website tips.